Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Elevance Health Workday account. First of all, open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Elevance Health Workday and then click on enter. Now find this link which is of myworkdayjobs.com and click on it. After that, you will be redirected to another page which is of Elevance Health. Accept the cookies, and at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on the sign in option. Now type in your email address and password. After that, click on sign in button to log into your Elevance Health Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Elevance Health Workday account. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to get new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any queries.